very first thing that you want to do when you are working with round stock is kind of create a couple flats. And you want to create these flats so that your material isn't rocking back and forth and you're getting nice right angles. It's a lot easier to keep all of your work parallel when you are making flats. All right. So we're losing a little bit of heat, and so it's moving all around. There we go. So we've made a nice flat bit, so it's less likely to kind of roll around as we're making this leaf. So that is the first job that we wanted to get done.